Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Teachable affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Teachable affiliate program, first, log in to your Teachable account. From the dashboard, navigate to the monetization tab in the left-hand menu. Click on affiliate program under the monetization options. Next, you will see a toggle switch to enable the affiliate program. Slide the toggle to the right to activate the program. Once activated, you can customize your affiliate program settings. Set the commission percentage that you want to offer to your affiliates. Next, add a custom affiliate link if desired. Communicate the terms and conditions for your affiliates clearly. Click on the Save button to ensure your settings are applied. Now, create or select an affiliate program agreement template. This document outlines the roles and responsibilities of your affiliates. Next, you can invite affiliates to join your program. Use the Invite Affiliates feature to send invitations via email. Optionally, you can generate unique affiliate links for your existing users. Make sure to educate your affiliates on how to promote your courses. Provide them with marketing materials if possible for better outreach. Monitor your affiliate program's performance through the reporting dashboard. Regularly check the stats to see which affiliates are performing best. Adjust commission rates or marketing materials based on your findings. Once everything is set up, you are ready to launch your affiliate program. Stay engaged with your affiliates to foster a healthy partnership. Encourage communication and provide support as needed. With these steps, your Teachable affiliate program is now activated and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.